Hi, my name is Mallory and I'm the Education Coordinator here at the Flint River Aquarium. Today I'm going to share with you some fun facts about our gopher tortoises, Malcolm and BB. Gopher tortoises are native turtle species here in South Georgia and all across the southeastern United States, from South Carolina to Texas and northern Florida, and they are listed as the Georgia state reptile. As you can see, they're a little bit of a slow mover, so if you see one out in the wild, please leave it alone. Help it cross the road, but you just want to leave these protected species alone. So there goes Malcolm. BB here, he can be our example. So gopher tortoises get their name because they dig the burrows. They use their hind feet to plant into the sand and the soil, and then their front feet as shovels that just dig out that soil for the burrows that can be up to 40 feet long and 10 feet deep. And the burrows are super important. Over 300 other species of animals within their ecosystem can be found living or hiding or just hanging out in these gopher tortoise burrows with the tortoises. And the fact that they build those burrows are what makes the tortoise a keystone species. So a keystone species is an animal or plant that is super important to its ecosystem and habitat, and it is so important that if it were to be removed, the habitat would change drastically or even potentially fall apart. Gopher tortoises are herbivores, so they like to eat a wide variety of plants, fruits, mushrooms, and flowers. And the list of threats to these animals is really long, but habitat loss and degradation is at the top of that list. They're also hunted for their meat, and they have been known to contract respiratory diseases. Another cause in their decline of population is accidental death. So another animal that lives within those burrows is a diamondback rattlesnake, and sometimes people think that they're killing the snake when actually they're killing everything else that is potentially within that burrow. Because of all of these things, the tortoises are listed as endangered or threatened depending on the state and the part of their range. So it is very important that we take care of these species, as they're super cool and cute in my opinion, and they're our state reptile, so they're pretty important. So thanks for hanging out for our little turtle tidbits about the gopher tortoises, and please be safe and stay healthy. Bye!